Hello everyone, welcome to Java Edge. Today I will show you how to install Python on Windows 11 operating system. Let us start. Open Google Chrome, search Python download. Click on this link. Here you can see Python 3.12.1. It is the latest version for Windows. Okay, click on download button. Here you can see it has been downloaded. Now open your downloads folder and open Python. Here you can see there are two installation steps. One is default installation and other is customized installation. I am going with default installation. Okay. First of all, click on this add python.exe to path and also check use admin privileges when installing py.exe. This checkbox for python.exe is used to set the path. Okay, it means we don't have to set the path by manually, it will set automatically. Okay, now click on install now. It takes some time. Wait for complete installation. Here you can see setup was successful. Okay, close it. To see Python is installed successfully or not, open your command prompt and type Python. Here you can see Python 3.12.1. It means it has been installed. Okay, that's all in this video and thank you very much for watching it.